Okay.
Put your little flashlight on.
So we're at Demilta. Fuck, what is that? Okay, we're going to, let's go. Let's go to the magical Coke machine. Oh my god, this is intense. Literally intense. Here's the money, here's the money. Here's money.
How do you know it's magical? What the fuck?
It's a magical Coke machine in the middle of nowhere. Look at that. Get a Mellow Yellow. Get a Mellow Yellow.
Actually bought a Coke?
Yeah. We're literally in the middle of nowhere. Get it. Get it. Go. Get it. Let me see. Let me see. Dude, get it. Turk. Get it, Turk. Get it.
Oh my god, it's so suffering. Go.
No.
Fucking Coke.
Look where the hell we are. Look at this. So we're in the middle of nowhere. These are huge. I don't know. You can't even see it. Look at that. Huge things. We're in the middle of nowhere. We went to the magical Coke machine at Demilta. What an adventure. Let me see it. Let me see that Mellow Yellow, Turk. Let me see it. No! Not literally. Oh! No!